What if everything in the universe is one energy, learning to experience itself? Not as a belief, not as a religion, but as a logical journey from unity to life to awareness. Before space, before time, before matter, there was undivided energy. No boundaries, no differences, no movement, only unity. Change requires difference. Difference requires division. From unity, energy begins to divide. Not once, but endlessly. This infinite division forms the foundation of space. Space is not empty. Space is a dynamic fabric of infinitely dividing energy, a background where differences can spread and interactions can begin. When divisions move, waves appear. Waves are organized flows of difference in the fabric of space. This is how energy begins to travel, without transporting the medium. Some waves condense. Condensation creates particles. Particles form atoms. Atoms form matter. Matter becomes structure. In complex structures, energy circulates in more organized ways. This gives rise to life. Life is energy that can sense, respond, and adapt. In humans, energy becomes thought. Thought becomes awareness. Awareness asks questions. Questions create meaning. Energy circulates through difference. It never repeats exactly the same state. Movement continues, but always with change. From unity to division, to space, to waves, to matter, to life, to awareness. This is the journey we will explore together. Welcome to Evolution of Energy.